should return the answers. Okay. So children, remaining examples we will discuss which we did not we stopped yesterday in addition by examples we were discussing in the max children. So remaining examples I will take children. First one, like remaining, I was doing examples of addition by exponents, no children. Exponents, examples of addition. Half we did, remaining half factoring. Just this is a simplification. 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 8, 4 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5. Second one, minus 4 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of minus 3 into minus 5 to the power of minus 6. Third one, 1 by 8 into 3 to the power of minus 3. This we have to do simplification. Okay, children? So, when subtraction is there, what we should do, children? Plus or minus? Powers minus. Okay, into 2 to the power of minus 5. Okay, children? When subtraction is there, we have to do minus. When into is there, this such this powers can be added. Okay, so 2 to the power of 5 minus 8 is children minus 3. 4 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5. This is how much? So 2 to the power of minus 15 into 2 to the power of minus 5. When bases are same, powers can be added. Minus 15 plus of minus 5. So 2 to the power of minus 15 minus 5. 2 to the power of minus 15. If you want to remove this minus, 1 by 2 to the power of 20 is the answer. Okay, children? Now here.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 to the power of 3. And to remove this minus 3, we will write it as 1 by 5 to the power of 3. This also 1 by minus 5 to the power of 3 children. Okay, so how much, like this what we can write children, this we can write it as 4 to the power, because actually children, all of them have 3 only, children. When powers are same, bases can be multiplied. I told you children. Do you remember? When powers are same, bases can be multiplied. Children, when powers are same, bases can be multiplied.
I got
Okay,
it, sir.
okay children, so what I will do means, what I will do means, see children, this is minus 3 is there, this is minus 3 is there, this also I want to make minus 3. So what I will do, 4 to the power of, okay, this I will write it as 4 to the power of minus 3 because children, when 4 to the power of, see children, what I am doing here, I am writing this as, listen, minus 4 to the power of minus 3 because children, why I am writing it, that means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, children, minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 is what? Minus 60, minus 60. Now, if you write minus 4 to the power of minus 3, if I write, okay, so then what it will become, this is writing, I am writing minus 4 to the power of minus 3. But this is, we can't write like one side, we can't write. So what I will do, children? Minus 4 to the power of 3, I will keep like this only. These both powers are same. So bases can be multiplied. So children, when powers are same, bases can be multiplied. So 5 into 5 is minus 25. Minus 25 to the power of minus 3. Try to understand. Okay, children? Minus 25. Because when powers are same, bases can be multiplied. When powers are same, bases can be multiplied. So children, this is minus 4 whole to the power of 3. This we can write as minus 25 to the power of 3 children to remove the minus. Please mute your audios, all of you. So this I can write minus 4 by minus 25 to the power of 3 children. Minus minus cancel. 4 by 25 to the power of 3 you can write. Like this you can write. Okay. So children, when powers are same, try to understand children. When powers are same, bases can be multiplied. We can write AB to the power of n. Okay. And this one you check children, 1 by a. And to remove this minus 3, I will write it as 1 by 3 to the power of 3. 1 by 8 to 1 by 27. That is 1 by 8 to the 56, 8 to the 16, 1 by 216 we can write. 1 by 216 because minus 3 if I remove it will become round children, reciprocal will do. So 1 1 7, 8 27 and 216. This is how we are going to do. Okay, children? Next. Vedant, mute your audio. Next one, children. Next one. Yeah. Minus 1 by 5 to the power of minus 2 to the power of 2 to the power of minus 1. Children, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, we can write as a to the power of m n, we can multiply this. So in the same way, minus 1 by 5. So this into this into this, all we can multiply. Minus 2 into 2 into minus 1. How much is that, children? 2 to the 4, minus into minus plus 4, children. So minus 1 to the power of 4 by 5 to the power of 4. Minus 1 to the power of 4 is 1, children, because minus is 4 times is plus. Minus 4 times is plus, and 5 to the power of 4 is 624. 1 by 624 is the answer. Okay, children? Please mute your audios, children. So minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So minus 4 times will become plus, children. If it is 3 times, minus. So minus to the power of even is positive, minus to the power of odd is negative. Okay, children? If negative has even, it will become positive. If negative has odd, it will be negative. Next one, please check, children, all of you. Next one, 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 minus 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 to the power of minus 2. Children. Please see here, children. This if you reverse, minus 2 will become plus 2. This you reverse, minus 3 will become plus 3. Okay, children. This you reverse, square will become plus 2. Please see here, children. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 8, divided by 4 square is 16. That is 1 divided by 16. That is 1 by 16 is the answer. 1 by 16. Okay, children, minus 2 if I reverse, plus 2. Minus 3 if I reverse, plus
Sir,
2.
1 divided by 1 by 16 is 16, sir.
1 by 16 is? What, Anna? 1 by 16 is 1 by 16 only.
Then
1.
inka 1 by 16.
Sir, 1 by 4 whole square we can write.
1 by 4 square only, I wrote as 1 by 16. 4 square, it was 16. Yeah. Next one. Please see here, children.
Sir, 1 divided by 16 is 16, na, sir.
How, Nana? What is the thing you are telling, Nana? 1 divided by 16 is 1 by 16 only. 16 divided by 1 is 16, Nana. Why are you getting confusion, children? I am not able to understand. 1 divided by 16
There
is
I
what?
thought 4 whole power minus.
Huh?
I thought 4 whole power minus 2.
Whatever it is, 1 divided by 16 is 1 by 16. Children, please don't get confused with small things, Nana. Don't get confusion, children. Next, Ashrik, tell me this question, Nana. 5 by 8 to the power of minus 7. 8 by 5 to the power of minus 5. Ashrik.
Yes, sir. 8 by 5 to the power of 7
Very good.
into 5 by 8 to the power of 5.
Okay, this we can write as 8 to the power of 7 by 5 to the power of 7.
Into 5 to the power of 5 by 8 to the power of 5.
This we can write as what? 8 by 7. This goes up means minus 5.
Minus
5 to the power of 7. This goes down means?
minus 5.
So what we can write? 8 square
by 5 square.
64 by?
By 25.
Very good, Nana. Next, Sujit. Sujit.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 by 3 to the power of minus 2 into 4 by 5 to the power of minus 3. First remove the minus.
3 by 2 to the whole power of 2.
Minus 3 by 2 to the
Minus 3
power
by
of
2 to
2.
the whole power of 2.
Okay.
2. 5 by 4 to the power to the whole power of 3.
Now individually you put square individually.
Minus 3 to the whole power of 2 to 2 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 3 by 4 to the 4 to the power of 3.
Okay. Minus 3 square 9.
9.
2 square
4.
5 cube 4 cube
64.
64. So we can't simplify anything, just multiply 9 plus 45 into the 18, 22, 9, 9, 11. 4, 4 is 16, 4 is 256. That's it. 1125 by 256. Okay, next, Hansika.
Sir, can I say?
Sir, 5 cube is 1.
5 cube is 125. 125 into 9 is 125. Hansika.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nana, can you tell this sum? First remove minus.
4 by 3 to the power of 4 in divided by 2 to the power of 3, 2 by 3 to the power of 3.
Okay.
Now we need to do reciprocal.
Here if I do reciprocal, this will become reversal.
3 by 2.
Okay. Now 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 3. When small numbers are there, you can write. If not, children, directly you should do. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 is gone. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 8 4s are 32. By 3 3s are 9. 32 by 9 is the answer. Next. Satvik.
So they can also write it like 2 to the power 5 by 3 square.
Yes, you can write. 3, yes, Satvik. 3 by 7 to the power of minus 2. 7 by 6 to the power of minus 3. Yes, Satvik.
Yes, sir.
First
Yes.
remove minus.
7 by 3 whole power 2, sir.
Fantastic.
Into 6 by 7 whole power 3, sir.
Okay, now individual give the powers.
7
square.
into 7 square by 3 square into 6 cube by 7 cube.
Okay, now what we will do?
7 into 7 into 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7.
3 2 the 6, 3 2 the 6. Answer? Answer. To the 4 4 6 is 24 by 7.
24 by 7.
24 by 7. You will get the 7. Okay, children. Next one. Vedant, tell me the sum. Vedant.
Sir, 8 will go down, 2 will go up.
So 2
2
to the power
to
of
the power
4.
4 into 5 cube by 8.
Okay.
8 can also be written as 2 cube. So 2 to the power 4 into 5 cube by 2 cube.
Okay, wait. So 8 is saying you can write 2 to the power of 3.
And
This
2
if you
cube
do-
and 2 4 cut. And only 2 into 5 cube.
Okay, so 2 to the power of 4, this comes up means minus 3. So 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 3. 2 into?
250. 2 into 125 is 250.
Very good, fantastic. Harsha,
Yes, sir.
25 into a to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 3 into 10 into a to the power of minus 8. We can write as 5
The
square.
5 square, sir.
Okay.
Into 1 by 5 power minus 3 into 10, sir. 5 into 2 into 8 more.
Okay. Take this all up. Take this all up. 5 to the power of 2. Minus 3 if it goes up.
Into 5 square plus 3,
Plus
sir.
3. Here plus 1 is there. Plus 1 if it goes up.
Plus 1, sir. Minus 1.
A to the power of minus 4. Minus 8 if it goes up.
Sir, minus 8, sir.
Plus 8 by 2. Okay, children. So 5 to the power of 5 minus 5 to the power of 5 minus 1 into 8 to the power of 8 minus 4 is 4 by 2. This we can write as 5 to the power of 4 by 2 into 8 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 is how much, children? 625. A 4 by 2. That's it. Easy method, children. Minus 3 if it comes up, plus 3. Plus 1 if it goes up, minus 1. Minus 8 if it goes up, plus 8. So all like terms I simplified. Please check, children. Very, very important sum. Every chance is there for you to get this sum on Sunday. Please check, children. Children, all the videos I will upload in 2-3 days, children, because I don't have net. Okay, next. 3 to the power of minus 5. 10 to the power of minus 5. Nandika, 125 divided by 5 to the power of minus 7 into 6 to the power of minus 5.
Sir, minus signs should be reversed, sir.
Okay, first, so, okay, she's saying, okay, 3 to the power of minus 5. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, Amma.
2 into 5
Whole
whole
to
to
the
the
power
power
of
of minus 5.
125 you can write as
5 cube.
by
5 to the power of minus 7. 6 is 2 into 3 to the power of minus 5
now give it individually. 3 to the power of minus 5.
into 2 to the power of minus 5 into 5 to the power of minus 5 into 5 to the power of 3
Hmm.
by 5 to the power of minus 7 into 2 to the power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of minus 5.
Now let's talk about 3. Minus 5 is there originally.
Yes, sir.
If this minus 5 comes up,
Plus
5.
5.
Now let's talk about 2. Minus 5 is there originally. If this minus 5 comes up,
Minus 5. Plus 5.
let's talk about 5. 5 to the power of minus 5. This is plus 3 because when base are same, powers can be
Powers
added.
can be added.
Minus 7 comes up,
Plus 3.
plus 7. Minus 7 comes up, plus 7.
Plus
So
7.
children, this gone 3 to the power of 0. This gone to the power of 0.
0.
7 plus 3
5 to
10,
the power
10
of
minus
10.
5. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. 5 to the power of 5 is 625 into 5. So 5 plus 25, 5 to the 10, 25, 3, 1, 2, 5 is the answer. Okay, children, also did not understand again. I'm saying 3 to the power of minus 5, 3 to the power of minus 5 cancel directly. 2 to the power of minus 5, to the power of minus 5 cancel directly. This you see, children. 5 to the power of minus 5 plus 3, because when base are same, powers can be added. And when this goes up, plus 7. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. So 10 I wrote as 2 into 5, 6 I wrote as 2 into 3. Everything I kept, I bought into prime numbers. Everything I bought into prime numbers. Next one, Vedant.
Yes, sir.
Not Vedant, sorry, Pravalika.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 to the power of minus 1 or minus 2 should be multiplied with what number to get 10 to the power of minus 2?
1 by 4, 1 by minus 4 to the power of 2 into x is equal to 1 by 10 to the power of 2.
Now
10
this is down, so if it goes up, x is equal to minus 4 into
4
minus 4 by 10 into 10. How much am x is equal to
minus 60
16 by,
by 100.
okay, so 4 is a 4, 25 is a, it should be multiplied with
4 by 5. 4 by 25.
4 by 25. Okay, this should be multiplied with what number to get this? Okay, next diagram. Minus 12 to the power of minus 1 be divided with what number to get the 2 by 3 to the power of minus 1? It should be divided by what number to get this?
Sir, we need to bring 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 in the to x place, sir, and we need to shift x to there, sir.
Wait, first you see here.
Minus power of minus 1 divided by x is equals to 3 by 2 whole to the power.
Go for the cross multiplication.
Yes, sir. 12 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power of minus 1 into x.
Now x we want, take this down. X we want. X is equal to?
Yes. X is equals to 12 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of minus 1.
Now remove all minus. Remove all minus.
Sir,
This will come up.
12 to the power of minus 1 into 3 by.
This will go down. This will
Yes,
go
sir.
down. This will come up. 2, 6 are 12.
6 are is equal x is equal to 1 by 18, sir.
Minus 18.
Mine.
Minus 18. So it should be divided with minus 1. It should be divided with minus 1 by 18. Rishikesh. Minus 3 by 2 to the power of minus 3 should be divided with what number to get 4 by 27 to the power of minus 2. Rishikesh,
Yes, sir. Sir, we can write 4 by 27 as 2 by 3 square whole whole
first
to
you
the power.
remove this minus, this minus and tell me.
Okay, sir. 2 by minus 2 by 3 cube divided by x is equals to 27 by 4 square.
Now if I remove here division, what you will get?
Multiplication.
Into 1 by x.
1 by
If I put it into 1 by x, for 27 square by 4 square.
4 square.
Go for the cross multiplication.
3 cube is equals to 27.
This will come here. This both will go here. Tell me cross multiplication. Minus 2 cube into 4 square is equal to
Is equals to 27 cube into 27 square into 3 cube into x.
this both will go down because we want x. X is subject. X is equal to
Minus 2 cube into 4 square by
by
27 square minus into 3 cube.
into 3 cube. Okay, children. So what are you going to get here? Yeah, what are you going to get here, Nana?
Okay, x is equals
So
to
I will do here, children. So
okay.
that you will not get any confusion. Nana, I will tell Nana. Next.
Okay, sir.
So x is equal to minus 2 to the power of 3. 4 to the 4 we can write as 2 square, children. 4 we can write as 2 square. 2 square whole square by children 27 we can write as 3 cube, children. Okay, 3 cube whole square into 3 cube, children. Please listen, children. X is equal to minus 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 4. Okay, 3 to the power of 6 into 3 to the power of 3, children. Okay, so this what we can write, children. X is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Children, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, it will be, so children, what we will do here, minus 2 to the power of 4 also is 2 to the power of 4 only, children. See, try to understand. I kept minus 2 to the power of 4, children. Why means minus 2 to the power of 4 is 2 to the power of 4 because minus is there. Even times means it will become plus only. So minus 2 whole to the power of 3 minus 2 whole to the power of 4 by when base are same, powers can be added. Don't get confusion, children. 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 also we can add because power is even means it will become anyway plus only. So x is equal to minus 2 to the power of 3 plus 4, 7. When base are same, powers can be added by 3 to the power of 9. So it should be divided with minus 2 power 7 and 3 to the power of 9. Like this, it should be divided with minus 2 to the power of 7 and 3 by 9. 3 to the power of 9. Okay, children? Okay, don't get confused. Don't get confused. Next. Sujit. 5 by 3 to the power of minus 5. 5 by 3 to the power of minus 11 is equal to 5 by 3 to the power of 8x. Sujit,
Sir,
when base are same, powers can be
when basis and powers can be added.
powers can be added. Minus 5 plus of minus 11 is equal to 5 by 3 to the power of 8x. When base are same, powers can be compared. So minus 5 minus 11 is minus 16 is equal to 8x. 8 goes down. X is equal to minus 16 by 8. X is equal to minus 2. Next. Satvik.
Yes, sir.
2 by 9 whole to the power of 3 into 2 by 9 whole to the power of minus 6 is equal to 2 by 9 whole to the power of 2m minus 1. Yes, when bases are same,
Powers can be added, sir.
so 2 by 9 to the power of 3 minus 6.
The power of 3 plus minus.
Okay, when bases are same, powers can be
Compare.
So 3 minus 6 is minus 3 is equal to 2m minus 1. This comes here. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 2m. Minus 2 is equal to 2m. 2 goes down.
M is equals to minus 1, sir.
M is equal to minus 1. Very nice. Okay, children, next. Ashrit.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 3 by 2 to the power of 3 into 2 by 3 to the power of minus 4. Find the value of x to the power of minus 2. First simplify this, then we will find out. Simplify this. X is equal to 3 cube by
2 cube into
um,
3 by 2.
okay, tell me. This you take up, this you bring down. X is equal to 3 to the power of minus 4 if it goes up.
Plus 4.
Okay. Minus 4 if it comes down.
Plus 4.
How much is that? 3, 7 by 2, 7.
7.
That is 3 by 2 to the power of whole 7. Now this is x. 3 by 2 whole to the power of 7 whole to the power of minus 2 we should find out. How much?
3 by 2 whole power minus 14.
Then remove minus 14.
2 by 3 whole power 14.
Fantastic. Very good boy. Like this we should do. That's it. So these are completion of examples, children. Now once examples are over, we will go ahead in the next class, children. Okay, and tomorrow we'll discuss remaining sums. Then we are going to standard forms remaining tomorrow. Thank you.